Hello, this is the first session on idiom series. Before to start studying the first lesson, I'm going to have a very short introduction to the idioms and phrasal verbs. Idioms and phrasal verbs are phrases and expressions that they are used in daily conversation, speaking, and also academic context, like the academic writings and academic we can say texts, and so the people are struggling learning these kind of idioms. And the idioms, they don't have their exact literal meaning based on the words. You cannot translate word for word, and you have to find out the idiomatic expressions and also the idiomatic meanings of those expressions. And then try to kind of learn them in the context and also improve and put them into practice through the sentences and the structures you're using in your conversation and also the discussions that you have. And this first session is going to be the elementary level of the idiom series, and I'm going to teach you a lesson that there would be 12 idioms and 12 commonly used idioms that we have in conversations and also in speaking in daily conversation and daily speaking. So let's get to start the first lesson. So lesson 1, the first idiom, to get in. To get in is used for small cars like taxis and cars. As an example, every day I have to get into my car and drive to work. But my brother has to get on a bus and goes to work. See, this is the first idiom. It means that to get in and to get on, they have the same meaning, but the type of transportation that we have or the type of vehicle that we have is different. To get on is used for large vehicles, and to get in is used for small cars and small vehicles like taxis and cars. And the second idiom that we have, to get out of. To get out of is the opposite form of to get in. To get in, it means to go into the car and go somewhere by the car or taxis. And to get out of, it means to drop someone or to get out of the car or to leave it. So it means that for small vehicles, we can use to get out of, like taxis and cars. As I arrived at my workplace, I had to get out of the car and go into the office. And the second idiom that we have in this second part, to get off. To get off is the opposite form of to get on. So whenever you get on the bus, and then you have to get off the bus whenever you reach the destination. So to get off, it means to leave the vehicle after you arrive at the destination. For example, as my brother got on the bus and went to work, when he reached there, when he arrived there, he got off the bus and went to his office. The third idiom that we have, to put on. To put on is usually used for kind of cosmetics, and also we can say for kind of makeups that we have. For example, my sister puts on different types of makeup. Put on, it has different meanings. So one of the meaning, it means to use some cosmetic kind of tools and also drugs or materials on your face. And also for clothes, it means to wear something. Or to wear a jacket, to wear, for example, a blouse, or to wear a shirt or t-shirt, something like this. So to put on, it means to put on a jacket. Someone who puts on his jacket and then he leaves his house and goes outside. So it means to put on, it means to wear something. And then the fourth one, it means to take off. To take off, it means to take out the jacket or the clothes that you have. For example, as you are wearing your shoes coming from outside, so whenever you arrived home, so you have to take off your shoes. So and then go in. So, or for example, whenever I arrived at my workplace and I went into my office, after I went into my office, I took off my jacket because it was too hot there inside. The fifth one, it means to call up or to give someone a call. To call up and to give someone a call, it is commonly used in a form, in the second form, that we have to give someone a call mostly in conversations, and the people in native speakers, they usually use to give someone a call or to call me up. So, and then to call up and to give someone a call, it means to ring someone, to telephone someone. So the British style is to telephone someone, and the American style is, you can say, to call up or to give someone a call. It means to ring someone or to telephone someone or to call someone. Number 6, to turn on or to switch on. You see this TV. There is a TV on the top of this board. So I can switch this on. There you see that there is a button. If I switch this on, now I can use this TV, and then if I switch this off, it means that I have turned this off. So to switch on or to turn on, they have the same meaning. It means to start using something after you let the electricity to go and to power this, we can say device or electrical device to be powered or to be started. So switch off, the next idiom that we have, to turn off or to switch off or to shut off, it means to switch something off or to let the electricity go out or to stop using something whenever you're done after. For example, you have completed the project or after have done something with the tool or the device, then you can switch this off. Or you can shut it off or you can turn it off. And I practically do this. Now I have switched this on and I switch this off. And then I can say that turn on, turn off, or shut off. So this is the 7th and 6th idiom. Number 8, right away or at once. Right away and at once, it means that immediately after, for example, something, or immediately right now, at the moment. To do something immediately. For example, if someone says something to you that come to my office right away, it means immediately go there or go to the office. Or whenever you say that turn the light at once, it means immediately turn it off. Okay, turn it off. So, or immediately turn the light off. So that it means that now or at the moment you have to turn it off. So right away and at once, they have the meaning to do something immediately or in a very short time in the future. So to pick up, now that you see that I have something on the table, or I can see that you can see that I have something on the desk, so I can pick this up. To pick something up, it means to get something from the floor and pick it up, or to take it with yourself. So it has the meaning, it means to pick something with yourself and then carry it somewhere else. Or whenever you go to school, your mother might say that pick up your books and leave the house to go to school. So that is the meaning to pick up. So the 10th one is sooner or later. Sooner or later, it means that, for example, eventually or finally, maybe in a short time or a long time in the future. Whenever you do something and you expect a result for that in the future, then you would say that I finally get the result, or I'll finally, for example, get the result. Or at that time, you can, instead of finally, you can say that sooner or later I'll get the result of this project. That is the meaning. It means sooner or later. It means eventually or finally. And the 11th one, to get up. To get up, it has a kind of meaning that it is used for yourself, or you can use it for other people as well. So I get up at 7 o'clock every morning, or I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. It means that I myself get up. Whenever you get someone up in the morning, so it has a kind of different meaning. It means that you make him to get up, or you make her to get up in the morning. It means that that person that you make to get up is, or you make to get up is that kind of the object. Now you are the subject. So I make my brother to get up in the morning. And then the last one, the 12th one, at first. At first, it means basically or fundamentally. Whenever you start doing something at the very basic stage, you can say that at first I would like to start my conversation, or I would like to start my speech, or before to deliver my speech. At first, I would like to thank everyone, or to I would like to welcome everyone to this session, something like this. Whenever you are going to start a speech, or whenever you are going to kind of make a conversation. So, and basically, or at the very beginning of something, you say at first. It means at the very beginning, I would like to mention something. This was the first lesson of the Idioms series, and hope you enjoyed this video. And for more videos, and for the next lessons, lesson 2 and the next lessons, like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and stay tuned. Click the ring button so that you can get all the notifications for more videos. Thank you. Have fun.